How to download and install the Google Chrome browser on Windows 10. First things first, let's open up your current web browser. You can use any browser for this, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll use Microsoft Edge. Now, in the search bar, type Download Chrome and hit Enter. The first link you see should be from the official Google Chrome website. Click on it to open. Here, you'll find the big blue button that says Download Chrome. Click on it to start the download. If the download doesn't start automatically, click Download Chrome manually. Once the download is complete, click to open the downloaded folder. Click to start the setup. A user account control dialog box may appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Next, the Chrome installer will open. Now, sit back and relax while Chrome installs on your system. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Google Chrome on your Windows 10 PC. Now you can enjoy the speed, simplicity, and security that Chrome has to offer. Feel free to customize it with extensions and settings to make it your own. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. See you next time.